That intro.
These sleeping giants could wake up at any time. Welcome to ScrollTube channel, and today we counting down our picks for the top 5 volcanoes that are ready to blow. For this list, we are looking at active volcanic systems with a high chance of erupting in the near future, with potentially devastating consequences. Number 1. Sakurajima, Japan. Sakurajima has been raining ash down on residents in the surrounds since 1955. In 1914, a massive eruption connected the island to the mainland with lava flows. Japanese authorities have issued a level 3 out of 5 volcano alert, and in 2016 researchers warned of a major eruption within the next 30 years. A huge amount of magma has built up in the chambers beneath the Sakurajima, meaning that the next eruption could be explosive and devastating for residents living around the volcano. Number 2, Mount Vesuvius, Italy. The eruption of Vesuvius in 79 AD, which killed well over 1,000 people and buried the cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum, has made it perhaps the most famous volcano in the world. More recently, scientists have also worried about volcanic activity at Campi Flegrei and the undersea volcano Marsili, but the frequency and violence of Vesuvius' explosive eruptions make it particularly dangerous. Since 1631, Vesuvius has been regularly active, with eruptions every few years until 1944. Civil authorities have an evacuation plan in place for the next eruption, seeing as how Vesuvius towers over Naples, a city with a population of over 3 million. Number 3, Lake Ilopango, El Salvador. UWOULDN know it now, but tranquil Lake Ilopango is the site of one of the most devastating natural disasters in human history. In approximately 535 AD, an eruption rated 6 on the Volcanic Explosivity Index blanketed the country in tephra, and is thought to have thrown up a veil of dust that plunged the world into volcanic winter and caused crop failure across the globe. A lava dome from the most recent eruption in 1879 created new islets in the lake, but since then magma has built back up. Researchers from the University of Bristol concluded in 2016 that the volcano poses a serious threat to the nearby capital, San Salvador City. Number 4, Mount Merapi, Indonesia. The smoke from Mount Merapi, the most active volcano in Indonesia, is said to come from 2 ancient armors buried by the gods beneath the mountain. Locals bring annual offerings to appease the mountain, which is located close to densely populated Yogyakarta city, but a volatile magma chamber below fuels near regular eruptions. In 1930, pyroclastic flows or burning clouds of gas and rocks killed approximately 1,400 people. More recently, in 2010, a series of eruptions disgorged ash, lava, and gases that killed 353 people and displaced thousands. The last pick at number 5, Katla, Iceland. Iceland is one of the most active volcanic hotspots in the world. In 2010, the eruption of Eyjafjallajökull made headlines when ash clouds disrupted European air travel. But the larger and more dangerous Katla might be the one to worry about now. Since the year 934 AD, Katla has erupted 20 times, and at relatively short intervals. It last blew in 1918, and recent tremors could be a sign that it's ready to blow again. What more, a major eruption would melt the glacial ice in the caldera, causing massive floods.